So the hollow arch workout for May, we're just working on flutter kicks. So your basic version is just get that nice isometric hold in hollow, reaching with the fingertips down, getting that tuck, working on that nice tongue activation against the roof of the mouth, the deep neck flexes, keeping the mouth closed, jaw closed, and then once you can get the legs out straight, and you've got good control there, and you're not letting that spine move around, and you can start working on getting these leg movements here, which challenge it a lot harder, especially when you're going for a full minute. But if you find your neck fatigues too much, you can do this version where you've got the head down, go through that same process of making it more challenging for the core, but you're just not working the full flexion chain because you're relaxing the head. You can do all different leg movements, hip movements, just to try and get that hip back disassociation. Here you're holding a neutral spine, whereas in the hollow version you're maintaining a hollow while you're moving the legs. So working minute, but obviously just do the versions that you can maintain good stability for. Here when we're going into the cobra, just making that a little bit harder, going to the T cobra, getting the flutter kicks there, trying to get movement through the hip but maintaining curvature through the spine. And then here's a harder version with that overhead position, so the arms are down, so you're really getting that lat stretch and pulling those lower ribs in as you do it. So it's really maintaining that nice alignment for the handstand and getting better control. So get those videos back to me, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, just keep working on it. If you like last month's version, stay with that, or any of the other months, go back through. It's just good to hit some type of hollow arch or side hollow each week to maintain that ability and keep improving it, keep the health of the neck and the spine there, so that way you can keep progressing your training. Easy, 6 minutes once a week. Awesome.